What is inheritance? Inheritance is a way that you're inheriting some properties, some methods, and you can use it within your subclasses. So let's say we have a parent class here, which is animal, and this is kind of important here because there is some kind of concept called is a. So now we have a child class. This child class is a dog. This child dog, um, yeah, let's just ignore that. This child dog is a animal, is an animal. Yes. So since it is an animal, so now we're gonna be extending this main parent class, and we're gonna be owning the properties and methods of the parent class. So this parent has a void method which is called eat. This animal eats food, and we have another method, but it is within the child class right now for our dog, which is bark. This dog barks, and we're just printing this statement. So now if we create a new object of this type dog, which is basically is an animal but is also is a dog, so it has these two methods internally implemented with it. So now dog can eat like the animal, and dog can bark also like a dog. So this is basically the point of inheritance.